Introduction to the optimizing voltage control in electrical power distribution using smart grid technology. In this project, we are using 16:2 LCD display PIC microcontroller. So the PIC microcontroller number is 16F72, and also we are using Wi-Fi module, which is named as ESP8266, and also we are using a current transformers. So these are the 4 current transformers, and also using a 4 bulb holders, and also using a 4 potential dividers. So we are giving the power supply to this current transformers from this power cable. It takes 230 volts power supply that will be given to this secondary of the side. So we can see here, basically this is a step down transformer. So we are using this step down transformer to calculate the current. So now here we can see the primary of the side, all transformer primary of the side will be connected to the potential divider, and the secondary of the side we can see here yellow wires that will be connected to the bulbs in series. Because we are connected series, because of current will be measured in series one. So that's why we are connecting these bulb holders in series manner to calculate the current. And also we are providing another power supply to the microcontroller from this adapter. It takes 230 volts power supply, and it will be converted up to 5 volts DC. That 5 volts DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller. From this PIC microcontroller, we are equally dividing the 5 volts power supply to the LCD display and Wi-Fi module PIC microcontroller. So first of all, you need to give the power supply to these transformers. After that, you need to give the power supply to the microcontroller. So here we can see in LCD is showing the IoT smart power grid system. So monitored current values will be displayed on the LCD display. At the same time, that will be sent to the IoT ThinkSpeak. So here we can see the values are 00, because there will be nothing, load will be connected to this bulb holders. And also we need to set our hotspot as a, so we need to go for the hotspot setting. Now hotspot setting, we need to set our hotspot name as a Project 6935 and password should be 129. Then only this Wi-Fi module will be connected to our network. So here we can see ESP CE19F7 is connected to our network. So this is basically IoT project. IoT means Internet of Things. That's why we are providing our internet mobile data to this Wi-Fi module using our mobile hotspot. Then only the monitored values of the microcontroller will be sent to the ThinkSpeak platform. So now go to the, after the connection of the hotspot, we need to go for the ThinkSpeak. So if you log in the ThinkSpeak, it will be show like this. We need to go for the optimized voltage control. So in this one we can see these are the previous data while we testing this project. So this is the load 1 kilowatt hour and the load 2 kilowatt hour, load 3 kilowatt hour and load 4 kilowatt hour. Because we are using the 4 loads, so that's why it is showing the 4 loads. So if you want to clear this data, for that one you need to go for the channel settings, and here we can see in the last it will showing a clear the channel. You don't want to delete the channel, just clear the channel. So now come back. So we can see there will be nothing data is shown here. So it will be calculated still now data. So now I am giving a load to the bulb 1 and load 3. So we can see here, so load 1, load 3 are 0. If I refresh it, this one, so we can see the loads are changing. and also we can see the values here. This is the load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4. So we have added the bulbs to the load 1 and load 3. That's why these three values are sharing. Coming to the ThinkSpeak, refresh it again. So we can see load 1 value is high and load 2 value is normal and load 3 value is high and load 4 value is normal. Now we are removing the supply. We are again adding the power supply load to the load 4 and load 2. So now I have added load 4, load 2, I have removed load 1 and load 3, and now we can see the values here in the LCD display. Load 1, load 3 showing 0 and load 2, load 4 showing the values. And coming to the ThinkSpeak, so just update this one. So now here we can see load 1 is decreased because we don't provide load to the load 1, and we can see load 2 is increasing here, and load 3 is decreasing because we don't provided the load to the load 3, and we can see load 4 is increasing here. Now we will add the 4 bulbs at a time. Give the power supply again. So here we can see 4 loads are varying the value. Now we will see in ThinkSpeak. So now the 4 loads will be raised again. So ThinkSpeak will be updated every 15 seconds. So now we can see load 1 increasing and load 2 also increasing, load 3 increasing and load 4 also increasing. So in this way this point will be works. Thanks for the watching.